Morning, Michelle.
Gonna make me breakfast.
Yeah. How was your sleep?
So we made it here. We really wanted to go swim in the lake. That's why we drove here yesterday and went to all this stuff. So you ready?
That is clear water.
I have never seen clear water like this in a lake. An hour into our drive back, and look, a little friend. Hey, oh, two friends. Look, they're so cute. They're just walking around here. Oh my god, so cute. Oh, look, here's a baby, a cow with a baby. So cute. Oh, it took us 2 hours to get over that 20-kilometer dirt road. 2 hours. It's freaking ridiculous. But anyways, let me show you the view. Wow, I had no idea how dirty our windshield was. Well, I guess it's not as pretty as I hoped. We made it. A real road.
You can actually drive more than 10K an hour.
Oh god.
Oh yeah, that feels good.
That feels so good.
Oh, that feels so good.
So you might notice a slight outfit change because it started to rain like crazy in Kamloops. But anyways, we snacked on some fries, chips, and
Nuggets.
Vegan nuggets, and now we're back on the road going to Vancouver.
We're going back to Vancouver, yeah.
Vancouver. Virtuous Pie. Yeah.
Why are we going to Vancouver?
Because I want to eat pizza. And the rain is cleaning our windows. Look at that. All free. It's like Merritt is on fire. It's so bad. It's like, I don't even know how many forest fires we've seen already in St. Croix.
This one's right in the town.
It is. Here's where we're gonna be sleeping tonight. Walmart.
Here she is again. Reading again.
Always. It's the best nights are reading nights.
Alright. Say goodnight.
Okay. It's time to go sleep here. We are not 100% done with our travel, so we have to continue tomorrow. So good night. See you guys tomorrow. So I guess fast forward a couple of days. We are in Vancouver right now.
Again.
We are selling our van, quitting van life in North America, and we are going to be moving to the Netherlands. Yep. We were shocked too. We kind of decided that we need to focus on what is best for us. And I guess a couple of you already know that we got engaged a couple of months ago. And that means that we need to take care of some legal stuff before we can be together. Because obviously we're from different countries, so it works a little bit different. So for us, that means we're going to be moving to the Netherlands. We're going to be buying a new van there, building it out. We'll be making a build series, I guess.
Yeah, we're not going to quit van life completely. We're just going to move to Europe and do it there.
Yeah, it's going to be a bit different, but...
As soon as the van sells, we're going to head over there and buy a new van, build it out, make a little video series, and not lose the footage this time.
Yeah, backups. We learned the hard way. But yeah, we're just basically gonna move there and live in the Netherlands, travel Europe when we can, and yeah, just basically do what is best for us. And it's a bit disappointing because I mean I was so excited, and I mean it's great to travel here, and there's so much more to see in North America and like Mexico and going down. It's like it's very disappointing that we won't be able to do what we planned and we were just looking forward to so much. But you know, sometimes you just have to do what is the best, and for us that is just being together. And if this is what it takes for us to be together and be safe for the rest of our lives, then you know, this is what we're gonna do.
But we absolutely fell in love with the van, with the living in a van.
Oh yeah. No way that we're ever gonna be paying that much rent again if we can just make our own little van and just stay there. Yeah. It's way more fun.
Just park wherever and sleep, travel whenever you want to, not have to check in and out of Airbnbs.
We would obviously get
It's a good lifestyle.
Yeah, that's true.
It's a really good lifestyle. So yeah.
So yeah, it's like, it's a bit mixed, it's a bit sad, it's a bit exciting. Like, I'm from the Netherlands, so obviously I'm happy to go there and see my family and kind of, you know, have my things from home, but I'm also sad leaving. I guess I'm happy that I got to see your country and meet some of your family and, you know, see where you grew up and stuff like that.
So we'll be back in Amsterdam, which is good. It's a good city.
Yeah. It's gonna be a little bit different. Van life is not as common there, so we will probably run into some challenges, but you know, we'll just bring you along and see how it goes.
You get, apparently you get fined 140 euros per person if they catch you sleeping in your car overnight there. So you gotta really be stealthy. It's not common at all.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're gonna get the Sprinter van again, no windows, and just, you know, no one will know we're there.
That's the plan.
Hopefully.
But anyways, yeah, we just kind of felt, I just felt like I had to share this, and it's something that we've been walking around with for like a couple of days now, probably a week or so.
Yeah.
And I just felt like this was kind of, you know, something that is a big deal, and I just want to be open and honest about this. So even if it's something that I'm kind of having mixed feelings about, I do want to just be open about it. So this is what's going on. We're moving, and we're a little bit sad. We're a little bit happy. Yeah, I guess today someone is gonna come look at the van, so we'll see whether they, what they think, whether they want to take it or not. And yeah,
if they sell the van, if we sell the van, then we're gonna get the next ticket out of here and go to Amsterdam.
Yeah, because we're good at planning and shit. Yeah. So it's gonna be very last minute, but at least for YouTube, we'll still be posting YouTube videos. We'll be doing the money series, and we'll probably do some travel stuff as long as we're still in our van.
And the van build series.
Oh yeah,
we're gonna build a whole new van.
Yeah,
that's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Yeah, we're just gonna go have some breakfast and a little hungry, so we're gonna see you guys in the next video.